today I'm going to make a review of the Logitech G512 LightSync RGB mechanical gaming keyboard, which is a premium keyboard designed specifically for gamers. One of the standout features of the Logitech G512 is its mechanical switch, which provides tactile feedback and a satisfying keystroke experience. The keyboard is also equipped with red, green, blue lighting that allows you to customize the color and lighting effects to your liking. The LightSync technology is compatible with various gaming software such as Discord and LGS, allowing you to sync lighting effects with your game. The keyboard has a sturdy build with an aircraft-grade aluminum alloy top case that ensures durability and longevity. It has a full-size layout with a numeric keypad as well as dedicated media controls for convenient access to music and video playback. The keyboard also has a USB pass-through port allowing you to plug in a mouse or another peripheral device. It also comes with programmable macros allowing you to assign specific keystrokes to perform complex actions and commands quickly. You can store up to 5 profiles with customized macros and lighting effects, making it easy to switch between different setups for different games and applications. So overall, this mechanical gaming keyboard is an excellent choice for gamers who want a high quality keyboard with customizable features. It has a durable build, responsive switches, and customizable lighting and macro features that make it a versatile keyboard for gaming and productivity. Thank you!